Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. And hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
It really is. This is always the best part of my week. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm feeling energetic today. I had a very good sleep last night.
Oh, that's great. Sleep is so important. I'm happy to hear that. And how was your day?
My day is fantastic. I'm very excited because I love our topic for today.
I am excited too, but I still don't know the topic. You said it's a surprise.
Yes, and today we are talking about daily conversations you must know.
Ooh, daily conversations. That sounds very useful.
It is. We're going to talk about the English you need for real life, not just for a classroom.
I like that. Real English for real life.
Exactly. We'll look at shopping, ordering food, and even asking for help.
Wow, those are situations we face every day. This will be a great episode.
I think so too. But before we start the lesson...
Yes, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy learning with us, please click the subscribe button for the English podcast.
And please give this video a like. It helps us so much.
And share this podcast with your friends. Learning together is always more fun.
Yes, please do. Okay, are you ready?
Absolutely. Where do we start?
Let's start with something very popular. Coffee.
You know me well. I love coffee.
Me too. So the first daily conversation is ordering at a cafe.
This is very important. I go to the cafe every morning.
Okay, imagine you're standing at the counter. The worker says, "Next, please." What do you say?
I usually say coffee, please.
That is okay, but we can make it better, more polite, more natural.
Okay, how do I do that?
You can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have a coffee, please? Yes, that sounds nicer.
Or, "I would like a coffee, please."
I would like does sound very polite.
Yes, "I want" is a bit strong. "I would like" is soft and friendly.
I see. So I can say, I would like a large coffee, please.
Perfect. And the worker will usually ask you something.
What will they ask?
They will ask, "For here or to go?"
Ah, yes. For here means I drink it inside the cafe.
Exactly. And "to go" means you take it with you.
Okay, so I can say, to go, please.
Yes. Short and simple, but very common.
That's a great tip. I would like and to go, please.
Now, let's move to the next situation, shopping.
Shopping. Do you mean food shopping or clothes shopping?
Let's talk about clothes shopping. Everyone needs clothes.
That's true. I need a new shirt, actually.
Okay, you're in a shop, you see a shirt you like, but you need help.
Maybe I can't find my size.
Exactly. So you need to talk to the shop assistant.
I feel a little nervous. I don't want to bother them.
Don't worry, they're there to help you. Just start with, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? Yes, that does sound polite.
Then you can say, "Do you have this in a size medium?"
Do you have this in a size medium? Okay.
Or a different color. "Do you have this in blue?"
So, do you have this in is the key phrase.
Exactly. And there's another important question in a clothes shop.
The price?
Yes, but also where to try it on.
Ah, right. I need to try the shirt. So I ask, where is the fitting room?
Yes. Sometimes it's called the changing room.
Fitting room. Changing room. Got it.
Now, let's talk about something that happens on the street.
On the street?
Yes, when you are lost.
Oh no, I'm always lost.
Then this is perfect for you. You need to ask for directions.
Yes, I do. How do I ask a stranger?
Start with, "Excuse me."
Of course, that's our magic phrase.
Then say, "Where is the nearest?" For example, "Where is the nearest bank?"
Or where is the nearest subway station?
Exactly. And the answers are simple. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Sometimes people say, it's on the corner.
Yes, where two streets meet.
And if I want to know the distance, I can ask, is it far?
Perfect.
If it is far, I'm taking a taxi.
Good idea.
Okay, what's next?
Talking to friends, making plans.
I love talking to my friends.
Me too. So, how do you invite a friend to the movies?
Maybe, do you want to go to movie with me?
That works, but more natural is, do you want to see a movie?
Yes, that sounds better.
Or more polite, would you like to see a movie?
Would you like to? Yes, that is polite.
And how do you answer if someone asks you?
If I want to go, I say, that sounds great.
And if you are busy?
Then I say, I'm sorry, I can't, and give a reason.
Perfect. What about phone calls, like a doctor or dentist?
Yes, appointments.
I get nervous on the phone.
Many people do. But you can say, I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Yes.
And they will ask you when. You can say, do you have any openings on Tuesday?
Openings means free time.
Exactly.
And if I want to know the shop's hours, I ask, what are your opening hours?
Yes. Or, what time do you close?
Very useful. I need to know when to buy cookies before closing.
You and your cookies.
Always.
Okay, one more. Small talk.
Small talk, like with a neighbor.
Yes, you can say, how are you doing?
And answer, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Perfect. And a common topic, the weekend.
On Monday, I can ask, how was your weekend?
Yes. And answer is, it was great, it was relaxing, or I went to the park.
And then ask back, how about you?
Exactly. Conversation is like ping pong.
I like ping pong.
Today we learned a lot. Ordering coffee, shopping, directions, plans, phone calls, and small talk.
These are all phrases I can use tomorrow.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Confidence is more important than perfection.
Yes, but polite phrases help you sound confident.
I agree. I'm going to practice, especially the fitting room.
Good luck with your shopping.
Thank you. And thank you to everyone listening.
Tell us in the comments, what conversation do you have every day?
And don't forget to subscribe to the English podcast and click like if you learned something new.
And share this with your family and friends. Let's build a big community of English learners.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you all for listening.
Have a great day and happy talking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.